We're tired.
Yeah. Functional Concepts for Interiors coming at you with another Tip Tuesday.
Tip Tuesday.
I am Brian at Floor and Surface.
And I'm at AZ Lewis Designs. And we are Functional Concepts for Interiors.
I already said that.
Did you?
I let in with that.
Oh, fuck. Okay.
Well, there you got it twice.
I'm tired.
You got it twice.
Do you see my eyes? They get extra Chinese, Asian-y when I'm really sleepy. I don't know.
Tips on you then.
Oh, gosh.
This week.
For me.
What are you going to
Tip
cover?
Tuesday. We're going to
Public service announcement?
Public service announcement. PSA.
There you go.
When you hire a designer, you spend money for us to come in and make your space beautiful. And we really think that you should actually clean that space. When I say clean that space, I mean like mop, sweep, mop, dust, clean the ceiling fans. Cobwebs out the corners, do all that stuff. And if you don't want to do it, you can always hire someone to do it. Because, I don't really clean my house anymore either. Kind of in between the clean lady. You can't just, not mop and sweep ever. But don't be an asshole.
Carry on.
All I'm saying is that if you spend your money on a designer, I think you should spend some money on someone to clean. Or you should clean it.
Yeah, or do it
before
yourself.
We get there.
Yeah.
Or you can pay us to do it, and we'll bring you in a professional to get it done.
That we will do.
That we will do, right?
Yep. That we can do. And that's not a bad idea. We've never really even added that in there, so to speak, as an offering. As an offering, some people, because it's totally different. You get a different vibe. You get a different feel. Mm-hmm. When you walk in, you're expecting all of this
glitz and glam and sparkly.
Wow factor.
Sparkly.
And it's to change your living environment.
Yes.
And I'm just saying, if by nature it for whatever reason it hasn't been dusted in 6-7 months or whatever, you got cobwebs in a corner, it's really going to kind of detract from what you are trying to get out of it.
Yes.
If you walk back into the same thing, you know what I'm saying.
I mean, it's beautiful, but with a,
well, it's kind of an oh shit thing.
Yeah.
Shit.
And it's like, if I have to spend 2 hours cleaning before I install, then I'm going to bill you for it. Yeah. 2,
well, because you're not going to do the actual cleaning. You said, if I have to clean.
If I have to. I've done it. I've cleaned. I mean, I can't.
If it's a little bit here and there, we're going to knock it out for you.
I've cleaned. Yeah. I've really cleaned. I had to mop, I had to sweep, and I had to mop, and I had to dust. There was no way that I could have brought anything in that damn house without cleaning it. Because presentation is everything, right?
That it is.
Now, if we're doing a remodel, that's different. If you hire me, a designer.
Well, to do the design.
Clarify that.
She's not in there demoing your bathroom.
No. If you hire me to do the design. If she's
pissed, she may ask me for a hammer so she can tear some shit up. But because it's good therapy, actually.
I do. It's fun.
But
if I'm doing a, full remodel, or I did a whole home where the clients don't really live here very often. They come popping in and out. We had a lot of service people in. We had people hooking up security systems and televisions and, all these various things. So it was a lot of, you guys know here, at least I know in Texas for sure, these floors and the wood, and probably wood anywhere, right? It's just dusty and footprints, and it's annoying. So I literally had to have this place cleaned twice before I could even install anything comfortably to where it wasn't like, ew. I don't want to do that. I want you to have a clean environment. And that's why if I'm doing beds, I take your shit to the cleaners.
Well, no, back up though.
Back up. I'm buying the bedding.
Yeah.
I buy it new.
Like on that home, they wanted it move-in ready.
Yes.
So she did, you know, the bedding and stuff like that. Not a situation where if she's designing your bedroom, she's going to take your sheets to the...
Absolutely not.
Kind of came out that way.
Let me clarify that. No. So if I'm doing a bedroom and we have to buy bedding, then I'm going to take the comforter to the cleaners. The sheets will be clean. You will be able to actually get in this bed and go to sleep tonight.
Yeah.
That's what I do. I go above and beyond. It's the truth. Why are you laughing?
Oh, I just, you know, because of how humble you are.
Well, they need to know. They need to know.
Yeah.
At AZ Lewis Designs, call me. I go above and beyond. As long as you're nice.
That you do. As long as you're nice. And your checks cash.
Woohoo! Yes! Give me some bags.
Oh,
well,
boy.
you know, just a couple stacks. It's all good.
Unbelievable. This took a weird ass turn on this one. Y'all enjoy it. Hey, clean up a little bit, but seriously, it'll help you enjoy your experience better. You know, we're gonna do what we can within the time frames and the budget. You know, it's not like there's a shit ton left over of a budget for us to go, hey, let's get these people a cleaning lady for the day. You know,
no, it's not. But I have a list. I have a few selected like 2 or 3 of them that are really, really good, because I'm very meticulous and I can't just have anybody cleaning my house. So if they clean mine, they can clean yours, because I know they're going to do a good job. So recap, please clean your room before we come and install, please.
or the areas thereof.
The areas that we're designing all your new furnishings that you spent your hard-earned money on. Clean it. Or I'll just send you a bill.
Say goodnight.
Good night.
See you on the next one.
Tip Tuesday next week.
Yep.